Indian students in the UK can get booster shots at walk-in vaccination centers. Indian students in the United Kingdom who have received 2 doses of AstraZeneca's Covishield vaccine will be able to get a booster shot as per the new protocol announced by British Prime Minister Boris Johnson. These vaccines can be accessed at a walk-in centre, but people whose primary doses are not recorded in the system in England are unable to book an appointment for boosters through the UK's national booking system at present. UK sources said that work is also ongoing to expand the range of vaccinations that can be recorded in the vaccination system. To be considered fully vaccinated, Indian students looking for a booster shot need to prove that they have been fully vaccinated and the country they were vaccinated in must appear on the list on the website gov.uk. The announcement comes after Britain ramped up some restrictions in recent days to contain the spread of the Omicron COVID-19 variant and launched an ambitious booster shot program. The country's medical advisors raised the COVID alert level due to a rapid increase in infection from the variant, even as the first death due to Omicron was reported on 14th December. The UK PM has warned of a looming tidal wave of Omicron and brought forward a target to give over 18s a booster jab by 1 month to the end of December. He called the spread of the mutation an emergency as Omicron was doubling every 2 or 3 days. The vaccines presently acceptable in the United Kingdom include Pfizer, BioNTech, Oxford AstraZeneca, Moderna, and Janssen for the purposes of international travel. This also includes specific formulations such as AstraZeneca Covishield, AstraZeneca Vaxzevria, and Moderna Takeda. AstraZeneca's Covishield was approved by the UK for travel purposes in September when India warned otherwise of reciprocal measures.